everyone, good morning and happy Friendship Day. Okay, what about you? What are you planning for Friendship Day? I have decided what I'm going to do. I love my friend, I like. So I'm planning to surprise my friend with beautiful card. Do you also want to make beautiful card? Let's join with Shivani. And 1 minute. Can you notice this background? I want my friend so happy. That's why I have decorated this background with Ogie and cockroaches because this is her favorite cartoon character. So children, let's start making beautiful card for Friendship Day. Okay, so I will tell you what we need for a card making. This picture, any picture, boy or girl, your friend's picture you can use, which I am going to color. I need this grass cut out, 2 balloons cut out, 2 strings, 2 cap, buttons, leaves cut out, stem cut out, and 1 card for where I have written happy friendship. Okay, so let's start making a beautiful card. First I'm going to color it. Wow, I'm going to color their dress with red color. You can use crayons, you can use paint, anything you want. Along with that, I want to sing one Friendship Day song. So I'm going to sing. Happy Friendship Day today, Happy Friendship Day today. Hey ho the cherry-o, Happy Friendship Day today. We love each other, we like each other. Hey ho the cherry-o, we Friendship Day today. And we'll make it more, and we'll make it more. So fun, full and happy Friendship Day today. Happy Friendship Day today. Friendship Day today. Hey ho the cherry-o, happy Friendship Day today. Yahoo! Now this coloring is done. Both are looking very beautiful. It's time to stick this material. So first I'm going to stick grass. Next, these 3 stems. And now these 3 buttons for flower. I'm sure your friend is going to be so happy. And leaves. So this grass, flower, everything is done. Now I'm going to put this caps on their head. They are celebrating Happy Friendship Day. And now balloon. They are happy and playing with balloon. You can see we are ready to celebrate Friendship Day. And now the last, I'm going to see this cute card. And a Friendship Day card is ready. And tell me, children, did you like this? Did you like this? Yes? Happy Friendship Day all! Thank you!